there, welcome to DollMotion! Some time ago I got contacted by Banggood, an online Chinese retailer. They asked me if I would like to review one of their dolls and dolls accessories. Well, I like collecting fashion dolls from all over the world, so this is an offer I could not refuse. I would like to put out I wasn't paid to review this doll, so this will be an honest review. The doll was sent in this plastic bag with all the items loose in it. By inspecting the box, I see a big dinge. Someone has probably stepped on it, so I hope the doll is okay. Also, I asked for a blue-haired doll, and on the packaging I see a pink-haired doll. I think this is the standard box for all the variation of the BB girl dolls. Oh yeah, that's right, they're called BB girl. Not sure what a BB stands for. Beautiful? Bold? No. Not sure, but it sounds cute. Also, she's a ball joint doll, as the packaging says. So, let's open the box. She's alright, and it's a blue-haired doll. Yeah, I have a thing with dolls with blue hair. Nice, she even comes with a stand. On closer inspection, I see she's not really a ball joint doll, because there's no string connecting her joints. But that doesn't matter. Look at her, she's so cute! She has great joints, a little bit like the early Barbie fashionista dolls. Oh wow, she has such a cute shoes! Her outfit is very detailed, with many layers of fabric. On the back of her head we can see a pin or a button. By pushing it, we can change her eye color or direction, kinda like a Blythe or a pull-up doll. Her hair is a wig attached with Velcro. Seeing the gap, we can remove the head sculpt to reveal nothing. We can also remove the faceplate to reveal the eye mechanic. The eyes are stickers. That means we can easily customize them. The face pops back with a magnet. With more closer inspection, I found that she does have a string connecting her body. It's very subtle, but it's there. I lined her up with popular fashion dolls. We have a Barbie, Monster High doll, Lika, and a Chantamal. And because I mentioned she kinda looks like a Blythe, here's a small comparison. The doll also comes with a variety of hands. We have the open hand, the peace sign, pointy finger with thumb, and the thumbs up, so you can judge a gladiator fight. The hands can rotate, but don't really move up and down. To switch them, you can just pop them off. Let's take a closer look on her hair. You can get a variety of wig colors for this doll, but I got the same color. Well, that doesn't matter, because I love dolls with blue hair. The hair quality is okay, considering the price. Let's try out the new wig. I think I like this one the best. Although the wig won't fit Blythe dolls, they will fit 70-inch Monster High dolls. And with some styling, you can make different kinds of wigs and switch them out. Let's go to her face. I was giving an extra faceplate. A vampire face. She has small teeth just like Draculaura. She also has wide open eyes and red lips. I like this feature. This way you can repaint the doll many times and switch out the faces. Time to check out her outfit. To match her vampire face, I was given a devil outfit. It comes with a headband, a dress, wings and stockings. Perfect for Halloween. But will BB girl outfits fit other types of fashion dolls? Let's try with a basic blue dress. A little bit loose, but still very cute on a Monster High doll. Definitely a perfect fit for a Lika doll. Also a perfect fit for Barbie. Also great on Blythe. Yeah, I'm not even going to try this. She will drown. Maybe a little bit short, but also a good fit on 17-inch Monster High dolls. And the other way around. Nope. Barbie is a great fit. Lika clothes, some outfits are a little bit short and some are a great fit. And now for shoes. They are just too cute. I also was given these pink boots. You have to lace up. But will they fit on the dolls? Let's try with the basic white shoes. Yeah, I'm not going to try this. Too big for Barbie. Ditto for the Untitled. Lika can work, maybe with socks. Yeah, too big for Blythe. Monster High will work, but she will walk on her tippy toe. And the other way around. Barbie shoes are a big nope. Some Monster High shoes will work, but look a little bit weird. Lika's shoes would work with some socks. Let's round up the review. Honestly, she looks so much better in real life than on the pictures. Able to switch the faceplate is a nice feature. There are so many custom possibilities and the clothes are very detailed and fit other types of fashion dolls. The only thing I would like is for, well, to be a real ball joint doll. And the stand she comes with. She is top heavy, so she will fall over all the time. But this can be fixed with a metal stand from eBay. But overall, a great doll to add to my collection. Well, that was it for today's doll review. I would like to thank my lovely Patreons for supporting this channel. And like always, like if you liked it and sub if you loved it. See you in the next video. Bye!